Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to solve equations using Desmos. This is a great way to check yourself, or if you're already really familiar with solving equations and you want to move on to using this, that's fine. However, I do want you to practice solving equations by hand. It is an important skill, but again, this is a great way to check yourself really quickly. So on your notes that I have here, let's look at problem number 10 right here. So I'm looking at this problem, and I've got 5x plus 3x equals 28. There is no math you have to do. All you're going to do is plug it in Desmos, and here's what you're going to do. On Desmos, which I'm going to go to my Google Classroom, and you can scroll down to where I put the link for Desmos, or again, you can type it in. I showed you how to do that earlier, but this will take you right to Desmos. You're going to click on the first box, and you're going to type in y equals. Next, you're going to put in whatever's on the left side of your equation. So nothing after the equals. Don't put the equals. It's just whatever's on the left side. So it's 5x plus 3x. So in Desmos, you've got y equals. That's the first step. You've got to do that for every time. And then you're putting whatever's on the left side. So in this case, it's 5x plus 3x. And again, I'm typing on my keyboard. You can also type on this keyboard it gives you right here. Next, you're going to click below it. And again, you're going to type y equals. This time, you're putting whatever's on the right side of your equal sign. So this time it's 28. And there's no need to simplify, just put in exactly what you see. So now we're going to put in 28 and press enter. Now, the solution for this is where your two lines cross. So in red, I've got y equals 5x plus 3x, and in blue, I've got y equals 28. Now, you can't see it because I haven't zoomed out far enough. So if you don't see two lines when you plug it in, you need to make sure to zoom out. You can do that using your mouse, or you can just hit the zoom in, zoom out button. So I'm going to zoom out until I see the blue line. And here's my blue line. It's a straight line across. The solution is where the red and the blue line cross. That's your answer. So if I put my mouse here, I can see exactly where they cross. They cross at 3.5, 28. Now when we get our answers, we don't get answers in a coordinate. I don't get two different numbers. I just get x equals a number. So all we care about is the x number. So in this case, the x is 3.5. So 3.5 is your answer. So if you remember what we did in our notes, we got 3.5. So the solution to this equation is 3.5. Pretty easy, right? So let's try another one just to make sure you've got it. So I'm going to clear these out, and I just cleared out by hitting the X buttons. Let's do one of these complicated ones. Let's do this guy. So in the left side, I'm going to plug in 7 plus 3 times. Now when you put it into Desmos, you can't put the g's in. You've got to put x's in because it reads the x and y axis. So if it has a different variable, r, z, just change them to x's. So 7 plus 3 times 2, we're going to change it to x minus 6. Again, I have to do y equals 7 plus, I think it was 2, I don't remember, 3. Whoops. 7 plus 3 times 2x minus 6. Close parentheses. So in this case, it gave me a purple line. It tells you which one it is. There's the color, purple line. And then I'm going to click underneath it. Again, I'm going to put y equals. This time I'm putting in whatever's on the right side of the equation. So in this case, I'm putting in negative 29. So y equals negative 29. So I can see where the purple and the black line meet is right here at negative 3, negative 29. I don't care about the y value. That's the second number. All I care about is the first number. So my solution is negative 3. The answer to that problem is negative 3. So that's how you do it on Desmos. That's how I want you to check yourself. So before you turn in any work, make sure you're working them on Desmos because you should get 100 because all you're doing is plugging it in and seeing what the X value is. I hope this video helped. Please let me know if you have any questions or anything I can clarify. Thanks for working hard, y'all. Good luck.